Okay, so now I've got both the top and the bottom factored out, and I put those factors right there, and then this part was just copied right there. And now the problem's pretty easy. Now we just start canceling stuff out of the top and the bottom, so that one goes and that one goes, and these two go. So it looks like my final answer is m minus 2 times m plus 4. Okay. So now we've just got one left. I use a different piece of paper for it. We're going to try one with division. You can see why I needed to teach you guys how to factor before we got into this, because it's kind of important. All right, example 5. All right, 3p squared plus 11p minus 4 over 24 p cubed minus 8p squared divided by 9p plus 36 over 24p to the 4th minus 36p to the 3rd. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so the basic idea behind this is going to be pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to factor the crap out of it, and then it's just going to be like a division problem with fractions where this one will stay normal and we'll turn this to a multiply sign and then flip this fraction so we can multiply it instead and then cancel stuff out. So if you want to pause the video and try that yourself, feel free, or you can just stay with me and do it this way. Okay, so this top part is definitely an X box, so I'll do that here. Let's see, 3p squared and negative 4. This is negative 12p squared, and then on the bottom is 11p, 12p and p. Okay, pull out a 3p and a p, negative 1 and 4. So this basically boils down to p plus 4 times 3p minus 1 all over. Now this one, we got to use that first rule of factoring that you should always start with, which is what can you take out? Looks like I can take out an 8 and a p squared. So I'm going to take out 8p squared. And I'm left with a p minus... No, if I take out an 8p squared, I'm left with a 3p. Because 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3p minus 1. Times... Now I'm going to factor and flip this at the same time. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm doing that bottom part there. And remember, the reason why I'm flipping the second one and multiplying is because that's how you divide fractions. So out of this one, what can I take out? Let's see, I can take out a 6, 12. I could take out a 12. That's probably the best choice. 12p to the 3rd. And I'm left with a 2p and minus 3. So again, this that I just did was factoring this part here. Then on the bottom, I'm also going to take out a 9, and I'm left with a p plus 4. Okay, so just as a reminder, all I've done so far is I've factored everything, but then I also turned this to a multiply and flipped this fraction upside down. So this is this. Okay, now I'm going to cancel everything. So I've got p plus 4, p plus 4, 3p minus 1, 3p minus 1. Definitely need to keep that 2p minus 3 on top. All right, but then what else can I take out? Let's see. I can take out this 12 and this 8. I'm going to take a 4 out of both of those, so I'm left with a 3 and a 2. We got a p to the third up here and a p squared down there, so I'm going to cancel that one out and call this one just p. And then I've got a 3 and a 9 left, so I'm going to cancel that one out and call this one a 3. I know it looks messy and gross, but what's left? Okay, so on top it looks like I've got a p left, right there, and a 2p minus 3. And on the bottom, I've only got a 3 left. Oh no, I've got a 2 times 3 left, so that makes a 6. Because there's a 2 here that I didn't see, and then a 3 there, so that's a 6. Okay. These problems take a while, just because it's a lot of factoring, and it requires a lot of patience, so you're going to have to be patient with yourself with that. I will be still in the video chat, so if at any point you want to just pop back in and ask me questions, feel free. Remember that there are 2 lessons and a benchmark that we're handling over the next, Monday, today, which is Friday, Monday and Tuesday. So some people will see this lesson on Monday, some people will see it today, and there will be a second lesson that I post on Monday, which some of you will see Monday and some of you will see Tuesday. And then by after Tuesday, we should all be caught up in the same place. And done with the benchmark. Therefore, the lessons of the 2 assignments are both going to be due on Wednesday, because that way we'll all be in the same place. So this assignment plus one more assignment that you'll get on Monday is due on Wednesday. So make sure you don't wait, because it's really going to suck to do 2 assignments in one night if you wait until Tuesday night to do it. All right. Have a great weekend. Bye.